Hello everybody, this is Rich Probert with Steinbring Motor Coach, and it is a beautiful day here in Alexandria, Minnesota, and I'm standing here in front of our Alexandria store where we feature our Class Bs, our B pluses, and C collection. We're Midwest Automotive Design, and we just recently added the Phoenix Cruiser lineup to the mix as well. Excited to have them be a part of our family. But I want to tell you specifically about a new feature to our website, and that is 360-degree walkthrough tours. You can go on that, click on a coach, and you'll be able to just kind of track your way through the motorhome to kind of view different ways and get a different perspective of what those coaches look like by using your mouse to move around and tour around. Again, you can see all that at www.steinbring.com, and over the next several days we'll be adding more and more of those features to each one of the coaches that we have on our inventory. We're always keeping it up to date, so please keep checking it off at www.steinbring.com. Have a great rest of the day, and we look forward to seeing and hearing from you in the future.